Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Snapchat username using email. So if you want to find your Snapchat username using your email, here I can get it done. First, tap on your email address, email app on your phone. So I'm just going to search Gmail. Then once you have it open on your phone, then tap on the search button, then tap in Snapchat. Once tapping into Snapchat, you are going to see the list of messages Snapchat has sent to you on your email address. Then from there you can now search the one that has your username on it or your email address. You can see this is actually Snapchat, but I'm not sure if this has my username because I just cleared my Gmail recently, so I might have wiped all the inbox, all the emails I received from Snapchat. But if you don't do that, if you haven't done that on your own, just use the search bar and search for Snapchat. Then from there you can retrieve your username, and that's it. Find the video on phone, like and follow for more. Thank you.